The skin consists of several types of cells, each with specific functions. These include 1. Epidermal cells, outer layer, epidermis. Keratinocytes, the most abundant cells responsible for producing keratin, which provides strength and waterproofing. Melanocytes produce melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color and protects against UV radiation. Langerhans cells, part of the immune system, they help detect and fight infections. Merkel cells, associated with nerve endings, they help with touch sensation. 2. Dermal cells, middle layer, dermis. Fibroblasts produce collagen and elastin, which provide structure, strength, and elasticity to the skin. Mast cells, involved in allergic reactions and inflammation by releasing histamine. Endothelial cells line the blood vessels, playing a role in circulation and skin repair. 3. Hypodermal cells, deep layer, hypodermis. Adipocytes, fat cells, store energy and provide insulation and cushioning to the skin. Each type of cell plays a crucial role in maintaining skin health, protection, and function.